Okay, I think we gotta get serious about this because today we're gonna talk about the Razer Iskur V2, your new essential gaming chair. I wanna say your new essential racing style gaming chair. After trying it for some time, I'm gonna give you my opinion about it, my pros, my cons, and what do I think about this new gaming chair. Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today, actually, first of all, I'm gonna just lose the gloves that it actually comes with the package because they're all about quality, you know. But I was just telling you that I'm Alex, and today we're gonna talk about this new Razer gaming chair that I think it could be one of your new definitive chairs. If you like gaming, if you're into gaming, content creation, home office, this one could be a really good chair for home office as well. But it has the kind of like I want to say the regular and the usual gaming style, racing style that all gamers like me likes to have on their setup right here. As you can see, PC gaming, master race 100%. So let's start with the assembly process. If you see something like this, as soon as you open your package, as soon as you open the box, you already know that they put so much effort on quality because they're trying to make your life super easy when assemble this chair. And I gotta say that I do have a ton of experience in assembling chairs, but this one with power tools, it may take you about 20 to 25 minutes, no more than that. With help, without help, I wanna say in between 20 to 25, 30 minutes top, and it's super easy to assemble. And when talking about Razer, that you may know about them since they have everything about gaming. They have Bluetooth headphones, they have mouse, they have keyboards, they have computers, they have backpacks, they have tons of things. But it's been a while since they actually introduced themselves on the chair industry, and they're making a blast. I gotta say that they're providing really good quality chairs. Like this one, for example, you can see you have the branding right here, and you also have the branding right here on the back. Some other things that I really like about this chair is the details right here, kind of like this honeycomb pattern that looks really nice with the stitches. But not only that, this fabric is one of those ones that is gonna keep you, I want to say, cold during the hot season, but also warm during the cold season as well. It's not leather, it's not mesh. It's a really well-made high-density foam and high-density cushion over here that is going to keep your legs a little bit elevated, meaning that that's going to give you a really nice circulation on your legs if you're sitting for long periods of time. And about with 21.4 inches wide, this one will provide a really nice wide space for you to sit comfortably. And talking about the weight limit, this one supports 300 pounds. Of course, it swivels perfectly, super smooth, and the wheels, they're not silicone wheels, but they're the two linen wheels that they're gonna provide you a really nice, smooth experience as well. And as you can see over here, these armrests, which are padded, you're gonna see this one, they're a little bit padded. These are 2D armrests. So you're gonna see inside, outside, and an angle, as you're gonna see over here. And also right here on the sides, you can modify the height on the armrests, which are gonna be really good for FPS games and putting your elbows at the level of your desk. But there are two things that surprised me on this chair. It doesn't come with an external pillow for the lumbar support. Actually, the back support is gonna be right here, which is the section that you'll be supported the most when you're sitting for long periods of time. So this one was a really grateful surprise for me. And like every other chair, you can modify the height of the chair. But then the other thing that surprised me was this 152 degrees recliner with this lever over here. Not only because of the recliner, you can see it over here. I can unlock it. I go all the way down 152 degrees with the lumbar support. This is really comfy. I gotta say that stands for a really nice nap, I gotta say. And then this is what I was just telling you about. This thing over here, it kind of like gives you a really nice rocking feature. As you can see over here, I'm rocking it while reclining. But check this out. I can just, for example, do this, and I can just lock it at any position I want. If I want to be just reclined, not entirely reclined, I can do that perfectly with this one, or even I can lock it a little bit more and lock it back if I want to have some kind of a recliner position, but not entirely. And then for sitting and having the most beneficial position for your back is going to be a 90 degrees with the lumbar support over here. But then just one more time, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to recline, and I'm gonna rock a little bit. I gotta say, Razer did it again. This is a fantastic chair. If you're planning to get one, check this one out because it may be your new essential gaming chair.